Y'all, this denim patch inspired tumbler might be one of my favorites yet. If you want to see how I brought this sparkly denim vibe to life, keep watching. For this look, I used rhinestones and glitter from the June premiere pack by Diamond Fire Rhinestones. If you're new to it, it's a monthly kit that drops on the 1st, packed with a brand new rhinestone mix, coordinating stones, glitter, and even a mini project. This month's mix is called Denim Lace, and it came with 2 stunning shades, Enchanted Mocha Ivory and Mocha Montana. They pair so well together. As always, I prep my cup by taping it off and painting it with Dixie Belle bonding boss. I let it sit overnight so everything was fully cured and ready. I made the stencil in Silhouette Studio and cut it out with my Cricut. I'll link the pattern down below if you want to use it for your own project. After applying the stencil, I weeded out the square outlines and filled them in with black acrylic paint marker. I also used painter's tape to help keep my lines nice and straight. It really does help. Then I pulled out different blue rhinestone mixes to get that true denim feel. I matched each one to a paint marker, labeled the bags, and colored in the rest of the cup to match the stones I plan to use. Once everything was dry, I outlined each square using black luster and Mirage Champagne in size SS8. I alternated them to give it that stitched jeans look. Then came the fun part, filling in each section with rhinestones. I outlined each box first, then filled them in using the mixes I picked out. I'll list every color I used down in the description box. I decided to do a premium red in 2 of the boxes. I haven't done that technique in a while, so I definitely struggled a little, but I got through it. I used SS20 White Opal and SS6 Montana for that extra sparkle. Now I saved the most detailed part for last, those 2 pattern boxes. These took the longest and definitely tested my patience, but I love how they turned out. I'm seriously obsessed with how this came together. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you try a denim inspired design like this? Everything I used is listed down in the description, including my code Tiana10 to save on your next order from Diamond Fire Rhinestones. Thank you for watching.